Well, I talked about this stock in the month of November, and since then the stock is up by 70%. But we are going to discuss about the next strategy or the long-term chart movement for this stock called as Hexo Corp. So this is the weekly chart of Hexo Corp, and if you just look into the areas where I have created the lines, support and resistance lines. So on the downside you have 0.58 and 0.40, but more specifically the stock is trading in between 0.58 on the downside and $1.3 on the upside. So this is the current trading range inside which the stock is currently trading. Now keeping this thing in mind, if the stock, okay, so first of all, the only big move will come once the stock makes a breakout above 1.3 and settles over there. But since it is inside the trading range, which is in between 58 cents and $1.3 on the upside, so first of all we have to keep inside the range only. But once the stock makes a breakout above $1.3, then let me tell you the specific levels which we are looking for as a big movement or big target for this particular stock. So what we are going to do here, so the first thing we need to understand here is the stock must not fall below 0.58 and more specifically 40 cents on the downside. So in any case, one should not carry any further positions on the downside if the stock falls below the important support levels. But if the stock holds in between these two levels, 0.58 and 1.3, and if the stock makes a breakout above 1.3 and settles over that, then the big target are as follows. So your target will start from $2.7, then we have 3.1, we have 3.8, we have $4.7, we have $7.1, and we can go to as high as $8.4 on the upside. Okay, now this may looks in absolute terms very small because we are looking at $8 and we are not going to go beyond $8, but in terms of percentage what we are expecting here is an upside of 700%. So what we need to do, we need to go one step after another. So once it hit 2.7, then we will go for $3, $3.8, and vice versa. So the thing is it depends upon how the stock will move. If there is a big move and every level and most of the levels or the target gets or swept out by the price, then it's a different thing. But in any case, we will not go beyond $7 or $8 because this is the big target. And let's see how the stock will move. But looking at the current consolidation, if the stock moves above 1.3, then you have two sets of ranges. First will start from 2.7 till 4.7. Once it crossed 4.7, then we have 7 and 8.4 on the upside, and that's what we are looking at as our big target in this particular stock. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.